IllumiRoom is a proof-of-concept system that augments the room surrounding a television screen with peripheral projected illusions to enhance traditional gaming experiences. For example, such illusions can change the appearance of the room, turning the living room into a cartoon world. The illusions can distort reality, extend field of view, and enable entirely new gaming experiences. Our vision for a productized IllumiRoom system is an ultra-wide field of view device that sits on the user's coffee table and can cover a large area surrounding the television. Our current prototype uses a commodity wide field of view projector and a Kinect sensor. The Kinect captures color and geometry of the room, and the projector displays illusions around a television screen. The IllumiRoom system is self-calibrating and designed to work in any living room. The most obvious way to increase immersion is to simply extend the content from the television screen out into the room, replacing the physical reality with the game's reality. Instead of simply extending the game content, one can focus only on the high contrast features, for example, highlighting only the edges. With Focus+Context Selective, only certain game elements escape the television. For instance, with a first-person shooter, we can bleed only weapons fire or explosions out of the television. We can also display markers representing other characters or key items in the game. The room furniture can be used to mask out some areas, making it appear that the game is being played beyond the wall of the room. IllumiRoom can change the appearance of the room to match the mood of the on-screen content. For example, one can saturate the room colors, make the room appear black and white, or highlight the room's edges. By distorting and reprojecting the room texture, it is possible to warp reality and make it appear as if the room itself is responding to the game. We can also generate completely abstract illusions, which greatly enhance the peripheral motion, but do not borrow content from the game or the room. With the snow illusion, snowflakes can be affected by the speed of the race car, but they can also bounce off the real furniture or accumulate on the floor of the room. Motion effects can also be illustrated by bringing lighting from the game into the room. And finally, a game object could fall out of the screen and bounce on the real floor of the room, or roll under the coffee table using the same physics as in the game. Some illusions, like Focus+Context Full, require direct access to the game's source code and its rendering. However, it is also possible to drive the illusions with limited or no access to the game. For example, we implemented a real-time optical flow computation to infer camera motion from any video footage, like the game Borderlands shown here. We can also intercept controller input directly and use it to drive peripheral projected illusions. This example shows commercial game Portal augmented in such a way. Finally, almost all illusions can be combined with one another, which makes them an easy and flexible palette for designers to tailor the desired experience to any given game or other video content. In addition to playing games, IllumiRoom can be used to watch movies and television. We can display panoramic video content with Focus+Context Full, or with Focus+Context Segmented, displaying the video only on a portion of the wall. We can also blur the peripheral content to decrease its emphasis. This footage was captured with a custom dual camera rig that simultaneously captures a narrow and a wide field of view video. Because we are not projecting on a flat white screen, we must compensate for the color and geometry of the room's furniture. On the left, we see the image the projector is displaying, and on the right, what the viewer sees. With any projector, it is difficult to completely neutralize the effect of bright ambient illumination. Here you can see the performance of IllumiRoom with the lights on. These illusions are just a small sample of what is possible with the IllumiRoom system. In summary, IllumiRoom enables a palette of peripheral projected illusions that create novel, interactive experiences in any room.